and this chick. G'day guys, Caleb and Kel from Have a Go Travel. We're down here today at, where are we?
Lemon Tree Beach.
At Lemon Tree Beach. Go for a drive, go up to the point, hopefully the water's crystal clear, go for a swim, have a couple of beers. Just come with us. Absolutely beautiful day for the beach. Pretty excited. Kel's excited. You excited, Orbs? Almost believable. The main reason I'm excited, you got some new gear. You see me on your hat. Don't know if I'm going to make these yet. Now, as always, driving on the beach for us. We're down to 15 PSI, we've got high 4, traction control off, and just cruising along. Now, we are below the high tide mark at Lemon Tree. I normally wouldn't recommend this, but today it's pretty hard packed. If you haven't been down here before, just check out the beach, have a good, go for a walk on it before you commit to where you're going to drive, because it can be very soft down here. It's just a typical New South Wales beach. What's it go, babe? What's the fishing school? Haven't had fishing school since Fraser. Can't believe you won't take us to fishing school.
Well, next time bring fishing rods and I'll teach you.
Looking for shells. I hope you find some good shells. That's what you do at the beach. Look for good shells, hey? Stunning is this view. I absolutely love this place. No better place. This is my favourite local beach. Gonna love that. Set up, 2 minutes later, dudes move, better spot, so we moved to the beach. Absolutely stunning place. So, it's going to be cold out there, so let's just run and jump straight in. What do you reckon? So, come on. This way. Now watch, there's a rock. This way. Straight in, straight in. Woo, it's cold. How beautiful is it? Oh. So that's one of our favourite beaches out here in Myall Lakes National Park, Lemon Tree Beach. If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. Until next time guys, go travel.